Hi guys, and welcome back to Zee's Closet, where we're still talking fashion, DIYs, and anything to do with being creative and doing stuff in your own comfort. So today's video, I'm talking about my sunburn. I had a sunburn recently because I went on a vacation in Mpumalanga. The vacation was amazing. Mpumalanga is beautiful. If you haven't been to Mpumalanga, I would recommend that you go to Mpumalanga and you explore everything that you find. Anything, whether it's potholes or the three roundabouts, anything and everything. So I went on a holiday. I forgot to buy a sunscreen, and then went on a holiday. First couple of days it was fine because we were busy traveling and seeing places, so I didn't get as much exposure to the sun. On the last day, I decided not today. We are going to relax by the pool, have drinks, and just chill. So there I am, chilling, relaxing, taking pictures and everything. I didn't realize that I was actually getting sunburned. I only realized when I came back home. My sunburn was hectic. I still have that sunburn, 2 shades everywhere. And the worst of all, this time my sunburn is also on my face. If you can see from my previous video and this video, you will see a different shade because of the fact that I got sunburned on my face. So it's been 3 days since I've been back from the vacation, and I just need ideas, guys, on how to actually get rid of the sunburn. If you have any recommendations, or you've also been through the same thing where you went on a holiday, maybe you forgot your sunscreen, or on that particular day you didn't put on your sunscreen and you got a sunburn, can you recommend a product that I can use? You can link, you can put the comment below and tell me how you actually healed from your sunburn. What did you use? What would you recommend? And how long actually it took you? Because I'd love to actually get back to my even tone, but I have no idea on what to use. So if you have also been through the same thing, or generally not even from vacation, you've had a sunburn and you know what I can use to get rid of my sunburn, please help me out. Leave your comment down below, and then I will use that product and then give you guys feedback on how it treated me and how long it's going to take me to heal. So leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching today's video. I know sunburn is real, guys. Sunburn, you feel a bit self-conscious because you're like, people are seeing the sunburn, and the thing is, it forms cracks on your face as well. So thank you for watching this video, and like and comment on my video. And if you have other ideas in terms of how to heal this sunburn, please let me know down on the comments below. And then don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys soon. I promise I will tell you guys about the product that you guys recommended, and then I'll make sure to give you guys a review and see how we heal this sunburn. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time on Zee's Closet. Mwah, mwah, mwah.